voice of him that crieth in the wilderness, prepare ye the way of the Lord, make straight in the desert a highway for our God. Prepare ye the way of the Lord, make straight in the desert a highway for our God. Every valley shall be exalted, and every mountain and hill shall be made low, and the crooked shall be made straight, and the rough places plain. Prepare ye the way of the Lord, make straight in the desert a highway for our God, and the glory of the Lord shall be revealed, and all flesh shall see it together, for the mouth of the Lord hath spoken it. Prepare ye the way of the Lord, make straight in the desert a highway for our God. The voice said, cry, and he said, what shall I cry? All flesh is grass, and all the goodliness thereof is as the flower of the field. Prepare ye the way of the Lord, make straight in the desert a highway for our God. The grass withereth, the flower fadeth, because the Spirit of the Lord bloweth upon it. Surely the people is grass. Prepare ye the way of the Lord, make straight in the desert a highway for our God. The grass withereth, the flower fadeth, but the word of our God shall stand forever. Make straight in the desert a highway for our God. The grass withereth, the flower fadeth, but the word of our God shall stand forever. Prepare